The first question, find the common factor, find the common factors of subdivision A 20 and 28. We have to find the common factors for the number 20 and 28. So first of all, let us find the factors of 20. Okay, so what are the factors of 20? 1 20s are 20, 20 1s are 20. 2 10s are 20, 10 2s are 20. 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, isn't it? So let us write all these factors. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Okay, I'm just writing all the numbers. After that, we have to find the factors of 28. So 28, 1 28s are 28, 2 14s are, that is, you have to divide this 28 by 2. When I just divide the number 28 divide by 2, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 14 times. So 2 into 14. And similarly 14 2s are, it's vice versa. And then 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28. That's it. So let us write the factors. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. I'm just writing in ascending order. Ascending order wise I எழுதுறேன். Now we have to choose the common factors which is presented in both the numbers. So ரெண்டுத்துலயுமே இருக்கிற common factors நம்ம choose பண்ண போறோம். So can you guess what are the numbers? 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, here 4, and then no others, isn't it? Therefore, what is the answer? The common factors are 1, 2, and 4. So this is the answer for subdivision A. Subdivision B, we have to find the factors for 15 and 25. So first of all, let us find the factors of 15. 1 15s are, 15 1s are, 3 5s are, 5 3s are. So let us write the factors. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Now we have to find the factors of 25. 1 25s are 25, 25 1s are 25. Next 5 5s are 25. Therefore, the factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25. Now we have to find the common factors. The common factors of 15 and 25 are, so what are the factors, common factors? 1 and then 5, isn't it? So 1 and 5. So this is the answer for subdivision B. Next, we are moving towards a subdivision C, 35 and 50. So first of all, let us find the factors of 35. 1 35s are, 35 1s are, and then 5 tables. 5 7s are 35, 7 5s are 35. So let us write the factors. The factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. Now we have to find the factors of 50. 1 50s are and 51s are. 2 25s are. How will you find? You have to divide the number by 2. Okay, so when, and not only that, by divisibility test, if a number ends with a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the entire number is divisible by 2. So with that concept you can check. So 2 25s are 50, and then 5 10s are 50. Similarly 10 5s are 50. So let us write down all the factors. The factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. Now we have to find the common factors. Therefore, the common factors are, so what are the numbers? 1, and then 5. That's it, isn't it? So 1 and 5. The common factors are 1 and 5. So this is the answer for subdivision C. Next, subdivision D. Subdivision D, 56 and 120. So let us find the factors of 56. 56 ones are 56, or you can write 1 into 56, and then in two tables divide 56 by 2. 2 2s are 4, balance 1. 2 8s are 16, 28. So 2 into 28 gives 56. And then in 4 tables, 4 1s are 4, balance 1. 4 4s are 16. So 4 into 14, this gives 56. And then 7 8s are 56. So now let us write down all the factors of 56. The factors of 56 are, so what are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, and then 14, 28, 56. I'm just writing all these numbers in ascending order. Okay, now we have to find the factors of 120. So let us start writing. 1 into 120 gives 120. 2 60s are 120. Now in 3 tables, 3 4s are 12, and then 0. So 3 into 40 gives 120. And then 4 tables, 4 3s are 12. So 4 30s are 120. And then in 5 tables, 5 2s are 10, balance 2. 5 4s are 20. 6 tables, 6 20s are 120. And then in 8 tables, 8 1s are 8, balance 4. 8 5s are 40. So 8 into 15 gives 120. And then in 10 tables, 10 12s are 120. That's it. Let us write down all these values. And then in 15 tables, yes, in 15 tables, 15 8s are 120. Okay, now let us write down all the numbers. The factors of 120 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60, 120. Now let us write the common factors. So what are the common factors? 1, 2, 4, and then 8. Then that's all, isn't it? So 1, 2, 4, and 8 are the common factors. Therefore, the common factors are 1, 2, 4, 8. So the common factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So this is the answer for subdivision D.